What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the 10 accessories that never go out of style. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Theo Smith, salute. Now, one of the cliches you'll often hear me say is the details that really finish off and make a stylish outfit. And when it comes to style, accessories are those details. But what are the accessories that you know you can invest in, that you can wear over and over, year after year, and know they'll always be in style? On today's video, I'm going to attempt to answer just that question. I'm going to give you my picks for the 10 accessories I guarantee you can invest your money in and know you'll get use out of them year after year, season after season. So without further ado, let's get into my picks of the 10 accessories that never go out of style. Now, first up, we're going to start the list off with what I think is the ultimate male accessory, that watch, and more specifically, a stainless steel watch. Now, what I love about the stainless steel watch, it goes with just about anything. You can wear it with a suit, you can wear it with chinos and t-shirt, you can wear it with your jeans and your boots. The stainless steel watch goes with just about anything. In fact, I get so much use out of the stainless steel watch, it's part of my everyday carry video. So if you want a watch that you know you can invest in and you'll get tons of use out, you can dress up and dress down, don't hesitate to invest in a stainless steel watch. Speaking of versatility, brings us to our next pick. I'm talking about that ultimate go-to tie, your dark blue tie. Now, the dark blue tie goes with almost anything. And between you and me, when I'm about to make a video and I'm struggling with tie to grab, I always seem to reach for a dark blue one. And to me, it's part of the ultimate no-brainer shirt and tie combination. I'm always telling you guys, if you don't know what to wear, throw on a light blue shirt and a dark blue tie. Whether you're talking about navy or silk, to me, the most classic tie that you can wear with almost any suit in any color, that good old dark blue tie. Speaking of your no-brainer, fits almost any situation accessory, we gotta talk about that white pocket square. Now for me, this one goes with almost anything. It's been a staple of men's style since the early 1920s. Now yeah, you can grab other colors and do a little poofy stuff with a bunch of patterns. But if you want something formal, slick, and smooth, and fit almost any circumstance, you can never go wrong with the classic white pocket square. I've been wearing pocket squares as long as I can remember what a pocket square is. And I don't want to talk about just how long that's been, but I'll let you know it's something that never goes out of style. Speaking of accessory that works in almost every situation, especially a formal one, you can't go wrong with your silver cufflinks. Silver cufflinks are the perfect accessory for formal wear because you need something understated. The great thing about silver cufflinks, they match almost any shirt, any suit, any tuxedo. And they're very understated and elegant. That's why they never go out of style. They fit the smooth, subtle, elegant look of formal wear. Got a nice watch you're putting on with it? Silver cufflinks won't distract. Classic, elegant, and never out of style, your silver cufflink. Now next up, let's talk about that accessory that makes almost any man look cooler. I'm talking about a classic pair of sunglasses. Now whether we're talking about some club masters, some wayfarers, or some aviators, whichever shape fits the shape of your face, you can never go wrong with a classic style of sunglasses. They instantly up your cool. They're a classic that's been working for decades and decades. Just don't make the mistake of wearing them inside. That takes away from the cool. Next up, we have the classic accessory that allows you to carry all the other accessories with you. I'm talking about that all-time favorite leather weekender bag. Now, whether you're grabbing this one for a nice out-of-town trip or you're going to stay with a friend and you might get to spend the night, the leather weekend bag carries all the things you need with you, but does it in great style. And the thing about it, easy to make a choice. All you gotta do is grab a nice dark brown one or a black one, and you're good to go for decades and decades. Don't be afraid to invest a little bit extra in a nice leather weekend bag because you know it'll be around for decades and decades. Next up, let's talk about what I think is the ultimate classic hat that looks good on almost every guy. I'm talking about a good old merino wool beanie hat. Now you wanna talk about the perfect combination of style and function, gotta be the merino wool beanie hat. It looks good on almost every head shape, keeps you warm, and does it in a way that has you looking stylish. I suggest you stick to neutral colors such as grays, browns, and navies. This is a hat you know you'll wear forever and ever. Now next up, of course we can't have the hat without the gloves. And your most classic style of gloves gotta be those leather gloves. Now the great thing to me about leather gloves, they combine function, elegance, and versatility. Not only can you throw these on with a nice chunky sweater, I'd wear them with a suit, jeans, whatever. And it can also give you a little sporty vibe when you think of some driving gloves. Not to mention, a nice pair of leather gloves just feels good against your hands. Something elegant, useful, and versatile, a classic accessory you can count on. Next up, we have the ultimate accessory when you're talking about combining form and function. I'm talking about that leather belt. Now hey, a lot of times you wear a belt simply because you need one. You gotta have something to hold up your pants. You might as well wear something that looks good and formal and even in some casual situations. When we start to dress up, we've all had to grab a leather belt in our time. So you know, no matter what decade you're in or how long you go, a leather belt's an accessory you can always count on being in style. And last but certainly not least on my list of the accessories that never go out of style was sticking with leather and of course talking about that leather wallet / billfold. Now although these days we don't carry as much cash, we still need something to carry our ID and our debit / credit cards in. And nothing does it for more decades and then with more style than a good old leather wallet. Now whatever color you prefer, whether it's brown or black as I prefer, one of the great things I love about a leather wallet, it looks better just like with any leather accessory over time and age. Develops a little bit more and more characteristics and molds to you. So no matter we're using cash, debit, or whatever currency we'll be using in the future, you'll never go wrong with a never out of style leather wallet. Okay, so there you have it. My picks for the 10 accessories that'll never go out of style. Let me know in the comment section what accessories you count on year after year. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos released every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.